Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password provided by the administrator. Then you select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 math and all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter measurement. So here I'm on grade 1 math. Chapter we're on right now is measurement. Let's just start with the lesson that is what which is customary unit of length is appropriate. So let's just start with the lesson. So which is a meter estimate for the length of a finger. Learn the different units of the length, right? Like here we have inches and feet. Both the inches and the feet are the units to measure the length. So 2 inch and 2 feet. The length of the finger is 2 inches. 2 feet is too long for the length of the finger, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Which is a better estimate for the length of a finger. So we need to measure length of the finger. So the length of the two units, the feet and the inches. So 2 feet is too long for the length of the finger. It must be 2 inches. Which is a better estimate for the height of a swings at 7 inch 7 feet. The length of the swing set would be 7 feet per inches is too short for the length of the swing, which is a better estimate for the length of a postcard. It would be 5 inches. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the length of a rake. So it would be 5 feet. It would be 5 inches, right? 5 feet is too short for this. So the correct option is 5 inches. Better estimate for the length of a tennis racket. The length of the tennis racket would be 27 feet. Option number that would be 27 inches. Which is a better estimate for the height of a birthday card. Height of a birthday card would be 10 inches. 10 is too long. Which is a better estimate for the length of a bucket of paint. Bucket of paint would be 1 foot 1 inch is too small of the bucket. Which is a better estimate for the height of a traffic cone. The length of the traffic cone would be 30 inches. Option number one is the correct option. 30 inches it is. I selected the wrong option. Which is a better estimate for the length of a bed sheet? Bed sheet would be 7 feet. Option number two is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the height of a cup? The cup would be 11 inches. Option number height of the cup would be 11 inches. Okay, you can complete the lesson yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is custom thought problems. In Rayleigh's office, the green trash can is 17 inches tall. The paper recycling bin is 1 inch taller than can. The black trash can is 2 inches shorter than green trash can. How many inches tall is black garbage can? So you are given the green garbage can is 17 inches tall, and here you are given the black garbage can is shorter than green, right? Shorter means you need to subtract 2 from the green is 17 inches. So the green trash is 17 inches and the black garbage can is 2 inches the green. So you need to do 17 take away 2 that equal can. The green garbage can is 15 inches tall. Let's just start with the test questions. In Rayleigh's office, the green trash can is 7 tall. The paper recycling bin is 1 inches taller than the green trash can. The black garbage can is 2 inches shorter than the green garbage can. How many inches tall is black garbage can? So you that would be 15 take away 2, that is 17 take away 2, 15 it is. At the neighborhood bakery, maple bars are 6 inches long, coconut bars are 1 inches long, 1 inch longer than maple bar. How many inches long are coconut bar? The coconut bars are 1 inch longer than maple bar, right? So it is 6 inches, so 6 plus 1 equals 7 inches. So that means the maple bars, coconut bars are, the correct option is 7. It is. How many inches? At the dentist's office, the purple toothbrush is 9 inches long. The red toothbrush is 1 inches longer than the purple toothbrush. The yellow toothbrush is 3 inches shorter than the purple toothbrush. How is long is red toothbrush? Red toothbrush is 1 inches longer than purple toothbrush. Brush is 9 inches long and the red one is 1 inch is longer than 9 plus 10. Correct option is 10 inches. Option number 4 is the correct option. Dustin's sofa 8 feet long. Noah's sofa is 7 feet shorter than 4 feet shorter than Dustin's, right? So it is 4 feet shorter. So it must 8 minus 4 that equals. The correct option is 4 inch feet. Option number 2 correct option. In May's bedroom, the soccer poster is 17-inch tall. Horse poster is 4 inch shorter than soccer poster. The basketball poster is 3 inches taller than soccer poster. How many inches tall is the basketball poster? The basketball poster is 3 inches taller than soccer poster. So the soccer poster is 17 inches tall. So you need to add 17 plus 3. So which is the correct option? 20 inches. The correct option is 20. Option number 3 is the correct option. On Marshall's bookcase, the mystery novel is 10 inches tall, 2 inches shorter than mystery novel. How many inches tall is the dictionary? The dictionary is 2 inches shorter than mystery novel. So 10 minus 2 is 8. The correct option is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Luke's sofa is 6 feet long. Rayleigh's sofa is 2 feet shorter than the Luke's. Grayson's sofa is 3 feet longer than Luke's. How many feet longs is Rayleigh's sofa? So the Rayleigh's sofa is 2 feet shorter than Luke's. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, you can complete the lesson yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Is appropriate. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a dining table? It would be 47 pounds. 47 ounces too light for the table. Let's just start with 8 questions. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a dining table? Dining table must be 47 pounds because 47 ounces is too little for the dining table, which is a better estimate for the weight of a seagull. Mm, I think 17 ounces it is because 17 pounds is too much. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a heavy suitcase. So it is a heavy suitcase. It must be 43 ounces, sorry, pounds. 43 pounds it is. It is a better estimate for the weight of a tomato. Weight of just a tomato must be 4 ounces, which is a better estimate for the weight of a shopping cart. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a shopping cart. It must be 18 pounds. Option number one is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a bicycle helmet. Bicycle helmet would be 14 ounces. Number one is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a raccoon. The raccoon would be 28 pounds. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a bag of oranges? Bag of oranges would be 4 ounces. Option, I think 4 pounds it is. Yes, the correct option is 4 pound. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Me just move on to next lesson. Chords. Compare and convert cup, pence and score, which is chord. 4 cups and 1 quarts are same, they are equal, right? 1 cup equal 4 quarts. Let's just start with the test questions. Which is more, 4 cup or 1 quart? One quart equal 4 cups, so they are equal. Which is more, 1 cup or 8 cups or 1 quart? Eight cups is more than 1 quart because 1 quart equal 4 cups. Convert 4 cups equal how many quarts? 4 cups equal 1 quart. Which is more, 1 quart or 7 cups? Seven cups is more than one quart because one quart equal four cups. Four cup equal how many quarts? Four cups equal one quart. Number one is the correct option. Four cups equal how many quart? Four cups equal one quart. Option number two is the correct option. Four cups equal how many quarts? Four cups equal one quart. Option number one is the correct option. One pint equal how many? 1 pint equal two cups. Option number one is the correct option. Four cups equal one quart. Option number one is the correct option. Which is more, four cups or 1 pint? Four cup is more than 1 pint. One cup equal 1 pint equal two cups. Okay, you can complete the lesson today. So we were working on grade one math. Chapter we were working on is Maya. The lessons are which customary unit of length is appropriate? Customary units of length word problems. Which customary unit of weight is appropriate? Compare and convert cups and chords. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with the lessons, you can simply click on chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions.